Love rarely disappears in an instant. It fades in silence, in distance, in small, unnoticed moments. Before someone stops caring entirely, they will first show 5 clear signs. Most people refuse to see these signs. They ignore them, make excuses, or hold on to false hope. But a Stoic? A Stoic sees reality for what it is. So if you feel that someone, a partner, a friend, or even family, is losing love for you, pay close attention. Because these are the 5 things they will do first. 1. They stop prioritizing you. Marcus Aurelius said, "What truly matters to a person is revealed in how they spend their time." When someone loves you, they make time for you. But when they begin to lose love, you become an afterthought. They used to reach out, but now you always have to initiate. They used to make time, but now they're always busy. They stop making an effort because deep down, they no longer care the same way. Love is action, not words. If someone truly values you, you will never have to chase them. 2. They show less respect. Seneca said, "Without respect, love is nothing but an illusion." When love starts fading, respect is the first thing to disappear. They interrupt you more. They dismiss your opinions. They make sarcastic comments that feel more like insults. And the worst part? You start feeling small around them. This is not an accident. Their actions reveal what they no longer say out loud, that their love is fading, and so is their respect for you. But the truth is simple. Love cannot exist without respect. 3. They become emotionally distant. Epictetus taught, "Silence often speaks louder than words." The 3rd sign is subtle, but powerful. They stop sharing themselves with you. They used to tell you about their day. Now they don't. They used to be excited to talk. Now they give you short, cold answers. They used to be emotionally present, but now they feel miles away. And if you try to bring it up, they brush it off, act annoyed, or make you feel like you're overreacting. But deep down, you already know the truth, because absence is louder than words. 4. They no longer defend or support you. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "A person who cares will stand by your side. A person who doesn't will walk away in silence." A loving person will always stand with you. But when love fades, they no longer care enough to defend you. When others disrespect you, they stay silent. When you're struggling, they stop supporting you. When you need them the most, they make excuses. Slowly, they begin to disconnect because they no longer see you as their person. And once that happens, it's only a matter of time before they leave completely. 5. They stop caring about the little things. Epictetus said, "The strongest emotions are found in the smallest details." When someone loves you, they notice everything. They remember the things you like. They check in on you, even when you don't ask. They do small things to make you feel appreciated. But when they begin to lose love, these little acts of care start to fade. They forget things that used to matter. They stop checking in on you. They no longer put in the effort, because deep down, they no longer feel the need to. And that is the final, undeniable sign. What should you do? Most people, when they notice these signs, panic. They beg for attention. They try to remind the person of what they had. They refuse to accept what's happening. But here's what the Stoics understood. Love, like all things, is impermanent. If someone is losing love for you, do not chase. Marcus Aurelius taught, "Do not waste time on those who do not value you. Your energy is sacred. Do not beg. Do not lower yourself. Do not try to force love back. Instead, accept reality. Let them go with grace. Because real love, the kind that lasts, does not fade so easily." When someone loses love for you, the signs are always there. First, they stop prioritizing you. Then, they show less respect. They become emotionally distant. They no longer defend or support you. And finally, they stop caring about the little things. Most people ignore these signs. They hold on to false hope, but not you. You are stoic. You see the truth. And because you accept reality, you will never waste time on those who no longer value you. Instead, you will walk forward with strength, dignity, and peace, knowing that real love will never require you to beg. This is the Stoic Way.